Pre-industrial age media refers to the forms of communication and information sharing that existed before the whispered use of technologies developed during the Industrial Revolution. This period includes a variety of methods, from early forms of writing and visual communication to the emergence of the printing press. Key examples include cave paintings, cave tablets, papyrus, and woodblock printing. For industrial age, roughly 1,700 to 1,930s, saw significant advancements in media and communication technologies, transforming how information was produced, disseminated, and consumed. Key inventions include the printing press, telegraph, telephone, and photography and motion pictures, which enabled mass production of printed materials. Faster long-distance communication, and the recording and sharing of visual information.
What's up? Ano nga palang pag-uusapan natin? Ang pag-uusapan natin is what information age of media. The information age of media is the internet paved the ways for faster communication and creation of the social network. People advise the use is microelectronic in the invention of personal computer, mobile device, and wherever in technology. Moreover, voice, image, sound, and data and are digital. We are now living of the information age. For example, social media is state, tablet, and smartphone, World Web, and live forecast, and online storage and backup. Yun lang. What's up?
The electronic age began in the 1930s with the invention of the transistor and then development of electronic circuits. This led to new technologies like the transistor radio, television, and early computers that facilitated more efficient long-distance communication.